Hello YouTube, how's everyone doing out there? Maybe some of you might see me on Facebook as well. So I wanted to do a review here on traffic secrets, and I will have a link below if you would like to get the internet marketing gold mine. I'll have it in the link below here, and I will continue sending you a lot of traffic sources of websites with high targeted traffic. So if you want, it's going to be in the link below. So let me get to the point here. I have to be kind of quiet. Decided to get an oil change done, so I'm at the car place getting my oil change done. But traffic secrets. Now, when I first started, I heard about traffic secrets. I couldn't find it. I knew Russell Brunson was in the process of buying it from John Reese, the creator of Traffic Secrets, and as you can see here, there's a lot of stuff. And stay till the end because I want to share with you a rookie mistake I made that I don't want you guys to make out there. So stay till the end, and I will talk to you about it. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I mean, for the price of it, the price. I mean, you can't get it. You can't put a really too much of a price on this. This should sell for a lot more, and it's always updated. It's always updated. They keep it updated. One time there's always something else. So I've been through many of these courses already. The foundation. Um, the ones with check marks I've been through. A lot of these I know already. But if you're just starting out, I mean, this is the perfect tool to have in your toolbox. Marketing discovery, copywriting secrets. If you need to learn how your copywriting, um, I'm not going to go deep into going deep into the back office here. I'm going to kind of just show you what Traffic Secrets has to offer. And this is with the book I mentioned a little bit ago. If you would like to invest in this product, I am an affiliate for it. You get more than I get. I don't get much for it, but if you like it, it's there. But still, I will continue sending you the traffic sources I mentioned. So, keyword science. This is very important that we know our keywords. We know what niche, what specific audience we're targeting. Google Keyword Planner, negative keywords. I mean, everything's here. Keyword Spy. There's certain tools. Uber Suggest. Amazon. I mean, it goes deep. Email marketing tactics. How to increase your opt-in rates. Your open rates. Types of list campaigns. I haven't done these ones yet. But let me just kind of continue going down the list. If you need a borrowing traffic, like solo ads. Tips for maximum success. Excuse me. Borrowing tons of traffic. I mean, it's pretty. Excuse me for a minute. Shopping engines, Amazon. I haven't done that one yet, but I'm actually. I just recently became an affiliate for Amazon, so I'm gonna be selling some books on my website. Entrepreneur stuff, business stuff, stuff to get people to break out of the shackles. Traffic formulas, split test discipline, traffic secrets based formula. There's so many formulas out there that can't really find them. Buying traffic, a sponsorship. I still haven't been through this course yet. Google AdWords. I've been through this course, and like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you what I did wrong, and for you not to do it because you will get penalized for it pretty bad, and it's hard to get everything back up and going. I'm still working on it. Podcast and broadcast, mobile app marketing. You can market on apps. I still haven't finished this one yet. I got to get in there and finish it. It looks like they recently added some more stuff because I don't remember all this stuff being in here. Software tools. Facebook ads. They always keep their Facebook ads updated to, like if you're working in real estate or employment credit or something like that. There's Facebook has made changes on that. So it's pretty good to keep your updates on your Facebook ads. Traffic targeting. email marketing campaigns, content, lead getting campaigns, target, ad fatigue, retargeting your Facebook ads. I mean, it's pretty cool. International opportunities. See, I don't remember this one being here, but I haven't even taken any of these yet. Google Translate. I'm going to have to take these. So it looks like they recently added some more to this, which is pretty cool because we just got to keep advancing and applying our knowledge. Social media strategy. I've taken a few of these, not too many. They say it's better to focus on a few. So if you're going to be on Facebook, you want to master Facebook ads. Instagram, you're going to learn how to do the shout outs and how to get influencers on you. But if you're going to be jumping to every single platform, it might take longer. So it's kind of good to take the time to master one, then master two. And if you're going to be doing like Pinterest, master Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. I'm still learning Twitter and LinkedIn. I'm learning LinkedIn as well. Um, Google SEO. I went through this course. I got my website up and going, and I followed a bunch of this, and now my website gets more traffic, which is just mainly my blog. I have a link below this video. It just goes directly to my blog. It's just content. There's really nothing to sell there, so you can check it out. I fill it up every now and then when I get time. Um, Google SEO, I went to that. Building a content factory. I mean, he goes deep in here about how to get your content prepared, whether you're writing it yourself or you have somebody invested to write your content. It's good to get it organized so you know when to post it, and then search engines will pick it up. Google will pick it up. Bing, if you follow what he talks about in here about Google Search Console, also Bing, a bunch of search engines that will that you verify with your website. It goes pretty cool. So it goes like they grab everything, and the next thing you know, you start getting more traffic and stuff like that. So let's see, content creation. See, I haven't been to this one yet. Surprised, because I don't remember this one being in there as well. So this is an update probably, but it's all in there. And let's continue content creation, YouTube marketing. I'm still kind of new to YouTube, but I got it down pretty good for being taught by this and just some random courses I took, something small. I took some courses. Now I get to share with you what I've learned. So it's actually pretty cool. YouTube, as we all know, is the second largest search engine there is. So get in there and start making videos and just let people know about you. Let people know about what you learned and where you started. Because when I first started, I didn't have this. I was jumping around everywhere. So expansion and scalability. Haven't taken this course yet. I have not taken. Let me grab a drink of my coffee real quick. I haven't taken this yet. So as you can see, I still have a lot to learn. It's just like so much at once. But for all you newbies out there who are kind of struggling, who are kind of just jumping around trying to find your traffic, I mean, you get this right here and you start learning it and you apply it a couple things at a time maybe. So what I wanted to show you up here, I mean, they lay the foundation. I mean, you could step by step how to do everything, how to set everything up, and then you start getting traffic. So Google Alerts, Google Trends, so you can kind of know what's popular during that day or that week. So let's see. I wanted to show you guys something if I can find it. It's under borrowing traffic. I can't remember where it's at, but it's basically guest blog posting. Um, you could guest blog post. I will be sending if you decide to sign up and get this book right here. I will send you a bunch of places where you can post your blog, your links, all that. I am not. I will not be affiliated with any of these links I send you. It's all for free. It's up to you to take action, like anything else. You just take action and apply it, and you start watching your list grow. You start watching your reputation grow, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I mean, so I wanted to kind of just show you this video to dig kind of deep and let you know what Traffic Secrets is about. I mean, right here, look, you could talk about developing from scratch the app. Teaches you how to build apps. You could build apps with this. You just gotta learn every one of them and go from there. Then there are some real popular apps out there that you could market with as well. So I just want to take time to make this video, and I wanted to share with you this tip. So when I first started, I made a big rookie mistake, which costed me. Um, it costed me my Google AdWords account to get suspended, and let me explain to you why. I was a rookie, and when I learned my Google AdWords account here. Um, where's Google? Google marketing, Google SEO. Okay, right here, AdWords. Taught me everything. For some reason, I still questioned it. And when I was making a account for my real estate business that I market for Google to pick it up, um, I decided to call Google and talk to somebody about what I can and cannot do. So this guy guided me through the process. He told me I should create another account, which he helped me do. And next thing you know, I got red flagged for circumventing the system of Google. Google's really sensitive, and is what I'm saying. If you decide to invest in this product right here, what he teaches here, you do. Don't go off to start calling Google and wanting to talk to one of their representatives, because this person kind of guided me through to failure, which I ended up fixing the circumventing my account issue, and then bam, it popped me up with suspension because of a suspicious payment. This was my first Google ad campaign that I ever ran on Google AdWords. So just make sure once you get educated, you don't need to call. I mean, it's a long course, as you can see that. Look, it's a long course. You don't need to be calling them and asking them what you can and can't do. So circumventing the system, it kind of is what happened. Was my old account, which I created a new account. The new account, um, it was basically the same ad. It was the same ad in that new account. Google caught it, and they suspended my account. So I don't want none of that to happen to you. Just get the right education and stick with it, and do not circumvent the system. I think there's a way to verify your Google AdWords account with Google. I think that could have put up a red flag as well. Um, but when that guy ran me through the process, it really hurt me. So I'm still to this day trying to figure out a way, if I can, maybe to fix the problem. But everybody's telling me it's really difficult, and I'm really still going through those difficulties. So I hope that tip really helps. I hope you don't make no rookie mistakes. This right here is there's some real good online education right here. So what I'm trying to do on this channel, I want to cut you down like to the cheapest way possible to start. If you're going to start your internet marketing, affiliate business, whatever you're going to do. There's a So you don't have to make all these investments and kind of come to find out later that basically what you learned off of this course was in this new course you invested in, and you start getting other courses, and next thing you know you've got more of an investment out there and you're kind of stuck. So that's what I'm trying to do on this channel, so you don't have to make those mistakes. I just want to give you the sharpest tools that I got, that I invested in. And um, as I just told you, that I did apply it in Google AdWords, which turned out to be a failure for me. The good thing is there's so many other ways to get traffic. You got Facebook, you got Instagram, you have SEO. There's so many other ways to get traffic. YouTube. So if you ever have your Google AdWords account get suspended or something, there's other things, but Google's basically the king, so it kind of sucks. So I just want to share that with you. And if you got any value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, because I'm going to be sharing with you what I haven't found anybody else is sharing. So, the less mistakes, the better. The better for the headache, the better just for your not wanting just to, slam your laptop and say forget it. So yeah, you can hit that notification button, subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming out with more. I appreciate you stopping by my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day, good night. See you later. Bye.